Imagine birds that don't just belong to nature, but also to your wildest fantasies. Thanks to artificial intelligence, we've brought to life some of the most magical and unreal birds you've ever seen. These birds don't just fly, they shine, with wings that shimmer like crystals. AI algorithms helped design every detail, from their vivid colors to their otherworldly patterns. These AI-generated birds aren't just creations, they're living artwork, pushing the boundaries of our imagination. And they don't just look beautiful, AI gave them unique traits. So whether they look like they belong in a dream or a magical world, these AI-generated birds prove that there is no limit when it comes to creativity.